The bus is back and ready to go. Teddy's driving. Ho, ho, ho!
All aboard in Lullaby Lane.
The wheels are rolling once again.
The animals get on the bus today.
The cow says moo along the way.
The duck says quack upon the seat.
The dog wags tail and stomps his feet.
The horse clip-clops down the aisle. The pig is oinking all the while.
The sheep says baa. There's quite a crowd.
The bus is getting very loud. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The friends on the bus go wave and smile, wave and smile, wave and smile. The friends on the bus go wave and smile, mile after mile.
They drive past the farm and past the school, past the pond, the water's cool, past the rainbow and the hill, past the windmill standing still. Teddy honks the horn so bright. Owl checks the map to get it right. Kitten waves to friends they see. Panda dances wild and free.
Everyone has something to do on the big bus rolling through. Kitten counts the trees outside.
Panda loves the bumpy ride. Owl spots a rainbow far away. Teddy sings throughout the day. When you're riding on the bus,
Every journey is a plus. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The friends on the bus say see you soon, see you soon, see you soon. The friends on the bus say see you soon, under the moon.
all aboard for one more ride. With Teddy and friends by your side.